Namaste, Priyanka from Hubli Village. Today I'll show how to make the curry leaves roast in LG microwave oven. Okay, let's see the ingredients. Yes, I took some fresh curry leaves. Okay, now it is a little bit wet. Okay, after keeping in the microwave, how we'll get the roast? We can make it roast. I'll just show you how to make it. Okay. Yes, this is the LG microwave. I'll just give how to roast it. Okay, just I'm putting the curry leaves inside the microwave. Okay. We have to set the micro for 1.5 minutes. Okay, 1.5 minutes. We'll get complete roast. Yes, now it is 5 seconds. After getting the complete, we'll get end of the display. Just I'll show how to see. Okay, I'm just opening. Okay, the curry leaves has been completely roasted. Just I will show you. See. Okay, 1 second. I'll crush it and see, completely got roasted. I'll just rush it and show you how to make the powder. See. Okay, within a 1.5 minute we can make this roast. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box. Thank you.